PlanetTogether has an easy way to adjust order quantities, which may be needed if there's a change in the quantity or a quantity discrepancy. Adjustments can be made in PlanetTogether manually. If you change the order quantity in PlanetTogether, the quantity does not automatically change in the origin application. If the origin application still has the old quantity, you should also change it there, or the information in PlanetTogether will revert on the next data push. First, go to the Jobs View tab, which you can get to by selecting the Views drop-down in the upper right and selecting Jobs, or if it's already open, in the bottom left, there'll be a View tab for Jobs. Click in the search area and type in the job. Make sure it's selected. You can either double-click from here to open up the Order Properties window, or you can click Find to find it on the Gantt. From here, double-click on the order, and it will also open up the Order Properties window. Either method will work. It'll get you to the same window, either from the Gantt view or from the Jobs view. In the bottom half of this window, there's a Manufacturing Orders tab. Click on it, and then the required quantity. This is where you make your change. Double-click in here, put in the changed quantity, and click Save and Close. PlanetTogether automatically makes the adjustment.